So welcome back everyone, Mike here. It is another beautiful day here in Pennsylvania. I just jumped in the truck here this morning and I'm headed over to Wild Bill's place. We're going to pick up his truck and trailer and we're going to go pick up a giant flagpole. It's about a little over 30 feet long, weighs a little over 200 pounds. I have a 18-foot landscape trailer. Even with Bill's trailer, it's 24 feet long. It does have a gooseneck on it. We'll get it figured out, and if it sticks out the back a little bit, we'll put a flag on it, and then I'm going to have Levi meet me out there, help me load up, follow me home, and so no one runs into the back of me. So that's the plan here this morning, and once we get that back to the house, we'll see what else we get into. All right, I'm out here at Bill's. This is his truck and trailer right here. I'm not sure how long the deck is, though, but it's got a beaver tail on the back. I think this will work out pretty good. We could, I guess, go up over the gooseneck with it, but I don't want to have that much sag in the pole when I'm hitting bumps and things, so we'll figure it out when we get over there. All right, we got her loaded up. Definitely sticks out. We put a flag on the back, and like I said, Levi's going to follow me pretty close, but not too close. All right, we got it home. We're starting to debate. You think it's too big, Levi?
It's really big. It's gonna go on the ground quite a bit, though.
Yeah. Because to the gutters there is probably a little over 12 feet, and then it's gonna go up another. That's good because what the point was to still be able to see it from the road. Yeah. You know what I mean? And it's a big building, so it's a big flagpole, right?
Yeah, you know what I'm picturing?
Hey, Melissa, you got to close your mouth when you smile. Somebody literally told Melissa. What'd they say? She screenshotted
it and put it on our story. So by the time this publishes, the story will be gone. I think it's only on for 24 hours. But she told me, Melissa, you need to keep your mouth shut when you smile. You go overboard. I'm going to be like the Joker.
Yeah. I can't... There's something in the air. I'm telling you. For somebody to tell someone to close their mouth when they smile.
Wait, then there was another one on the Bronco video. I screenshotted it. The ultimate clickbait. It's getting ridiculous. There's two cars in the thumbnail.
And one's a Bronco.
And one's a Jeep.
Yeah.
And that's the ultimate clickbait.
So,
I happen to be in that video.
But we're not going to focus on that. We're going to focus on the 99% of you that are sane. Yay! Kind, normal people, and like to see people smile. And wouldn't that one's a new one. That's a new one. Keep your mouth closed.
Keep it closed when you smile, just like the Joker.
Wow. So yeah, there's the flagpole. Weighs about 210 pounds. It's not real heavy.
Kind of. What I think of? I think of grandson Ty. When you said, "Is this too tall?" I picture him shimmying up the.
Can't say that.
See him up there.
Yeah.
Ty is a bit of a climber. What was he climbing the other day?
Our fridge.
Oh, was he?
He just like the handles, and he's just going up the side of it. It's easy when you're that tall, you know.
Yeah.
This high on the fridge.
You got to make do with your height. You know what I mean?
When you keep the treats on the top of the fridge.
Yeah.
He can open your fridge. Mom said the other day he just goes in and he
opens
opens
up
your
fridge. I'm like, what are you doing? That's because we forgot to lock it. We have a lock for Huntman.
Yeah.
He gets himself in trouble.
All right, we'll get this thing unloaded and
Any troubles getting it here?
No.
Good.
Levi followed me real close and yeah, it worked out good. Glad to have it home.
Good.
All right, we got the flagpole unloaded. Very, very nice flagpole. Nice taper to it. Later on today, when it's in the sun, I'll get you a better look at it. But this is the bronze color, and this pole came from Liberty Flagpoles. Very nice. But I'm trying to figure out, yeah, we're going to need a boom truck. I don't see any other way around it, but I haven't even looked at the instructions yet or anything, so maybe they got some ideas I'm not familiar with right now. But that's a lot of flagpole right there. All right, I got Wild Bill's truck and trailer back to him. I stopped and filled it up before I dropped it off and thanked him for that. That worked out really good. Now I'm back in the grocery getter, and just down the road here from the brick house, they're logging, someone is, a nice piece of property. And man, they've got a pile of logs down here. I mean, it's massive from what I can tell from the road. And they just started the other day. They're moving pretty quick. So I'm just going to stop and kind of introduce myself, see if I could possibly buy a few nice saw logs. I know down in this piece of ground there were some good walnuts and things, but the trees that they're bringing out are a lot bigger than what I thought they had down here. But I hadn't been back in there for, actually I don't even know if I've ever been back in this piece of property. Just from what you can see of the road though, they're bringing in some big trees. Holy smokes, what a pile of logs here. See a lot of red oak, white oak, some cherry. I don't see any walnut. Obviously they don't have anything to stack these logs with. They just got a skidder and a dozer here. But they'll get this all sorted out later. But what a pile of logs. My goodness. Real nice red oak there. White oak. Man, they got a pile of lumber here. Look how nice and straight this one is. You got logs everywhere. There's a dandy of a red oak right there. I didn't see any walnuts in the pile, but there was one right there. There's the top. So I don't know if they're done and they're going to start loading out soon. I don't hear any saws running anywhere. I'll just have to stop back, see if I can talk to them. But I could even, yeah, I'll see what they want to do. Who knows? May work out, may not, but it doesn't hurt to try. Decent cherry in there. A lot of red oak. So what I'll have to do, I'll just kind of keep my eye on this. I know the other night when I was out hunting in the mini cabin, when I first got out there in the afternoon, I could hear saws running down here. It's probably only about a half mile from the mini cabin where I'm sitting right now. Anyway, yeah, they got a really nice pile of logs here. Who knows what kind of arrangements they have, if it's all sold already or whatever, but it can't hurt talking to them. You know, I could bring the dump trailer down here if they pulled some out. I could even load them, bring the MX-5400 down with a grapple. So maybe we can make a deal on some of these if I can get a hold of someone. But they're nice, really, really nice. It is so nice out right now. I don't even know what to say. Not a cloud in the sky. It's only about, I don't even know, 50 degrees or something. Maybe a little bit warmer than that. But just absolutely beautiful. I'll tell you what, this firewood bin, bigger than I thought. I've been down here splitting wood for, about an hour and a half. I think tomorrow Melissa and I will come down and split some. It's taken me a little bit longer because I am filling up this bin as well, like with the good stuff. This will be for the firewood bundles. What I'm learning though as I go, instead of trying to separate them out, just get, some nice big rounds, split those up just for this. Because before what I was doing was kind of, separating out the nice straight bark-free pieces as I was splitting, putting them in here. Now I think what I'll do is just get the bigger logs, dedicate a little bit of time to fill this for a while, and send some bulk wood to the big pile there. Earlier today, I was up at my desk in the house there, downloading some memory cards, and something caught my eye down here. I can see the whole way down here from the window, and there's a deer went running across here. And about 30 seconds later, there's a nice buck chasing it. The first one was a doe, and this buck came through here. It ran right beside the firewood bin. I saw another buck this morning just out the road, not far from where I went and looked at those logs earlier. But I'm glad that I got a buck already, but I'm kind of missing hunting. I do have a couple doe tags, and I don't know, I may go out this evening for a little bit. I doubt I'll get real real aggressive about it, but I may go out and sit in a mini cabin for a bit and see what's out there. It's just such a nice day, just absolutely beautiful. So before I wrap this up, there's a couple things I want to talk about. Earlier, we mentioned that lady that told Melissa she needs to shut her mouth when she smiles. That one was over the top. It was. We laughed about that all day. But there has been something in the air lately. I'm not sure what it is. Now, don't get me wrong. The comment section in our videos is overwhelmingly positive, and we appreciate that, and I'll get to that in just a minute. But there seems to be a few more crazies out there. So what I did today is something that I haven't done for a while. I must have blocked 6 or 8 people, just gone. One guy in particular, it was on the Bronco Jeep video that I did the other day. He said, I don't want to watch a stupid video on a Bronco and a Jeep. Get back to cutting wood. Now keep in mind, the video had a picture of a Bronco and a Jeep in the thumbnail. The title was Bronco versus Wrangler. I don't see that any different than, going to a restaurant you don't like, ordering a dish you don't like, and complaining about it. I'm not going to deal with that stuff anymore. I'm just going to get rid of those people. I am. Makes no sense to me at all. So I'm not going to deal with that negativity, and they'll just have to go comment somewhere else because they won't be able to on our videos. Now, back to the normal insane people. You have no idea how much I appreciate y'all being here, all the positive comments, the emails, the people that come to the meetups, just fantastic. It really is, and we appreciate y'all. We really do, and please keep it up. Hit that like button. If you enjoy our videos and you're not a subscriber, please do. There's more of us than there is them, that's for sure. So like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.